Hey socialites, and if you're new, I'm Ariel. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and a little bit of lifestyle. So today's video is gonna be a candle haul. Today was the first day of the annual Bath & Body Works $9.95 candle sale. They call it Candle Day now at Bath & Body Works. So I picked up quite a few. We're gonna go over the ones I picked up and sort of touch on some I saw in there and my thoughts about them. But today is day 5 of Vlogmas, so let's unlock day 5 in our Sephora advent calendar. Day 5 is here. See what we got. We got My Way Nectar from Giorgio Armani. It's like a little travel size. Day 5 in our Revolve Beauty advent calendar. Day 5 is down here. Let's see what we got. It's from a Korean skincare brand called Herbarian. It's a night oil. Let me pull the camera close, y'all. So who shopped the candle sale today? Did y'all get out? My Bath & Body Works opened at 5 a.m. I think last year they opened at 6. It might have been 5, but I didn't go at 5. But they opened at 5. I didn't make it at that time. I actually had a wedding this morning, y'all. One of the socialites got married and wanted me to do her makeup. So I did their makeup this morning. And after I left them, I went straight over to Bath & Body Works for the sale, and it was packed. By the time I made it over there, it was about 12 o'clock. It was packed. When we got in line, the line was literally, the register is at the back of the store, like the back wall of the store, and the line was like more than halfway through, like probably like the middle of the store or something like that. Like, it was crazy. But if you've ever shopped the candle sale, it's always a good time. The people in line are always friendly, excited to be there type of thing. It's usually a vibe on Candle Day. So I was just happy that I got to go out and see what they had. It was real different in there, and meaning the type of candles that was in there this time. Now, they did have some of the cult classic candles, but a couple of my favorites, like Palo Santo, was not in the store at all, and I don't even think it's online. That is like my favorite. That's really the candle I look forward to. There's 2 of them, and we'll get into the other one. They had a lot of gourmandy candles in there. Not just the gourmand that we're used to, like cupcakes and pound cakes. Y'all, they had some, I'll pop a picture up. I'm gonna have to look it up to let you guys know what it was, but when I tell you they had some weird scents in there this time, so they were pushing the envelope on gourmand. I don't even know who would light those type of candles, some of them that they had in there, so it was interesting. Anyway, girl, comment down below, let me know what's your favorite Bath & Body Works candle. What did you pick up? All of these 3-wick size candles, the big 3 wicks, are $9.95 during the sale. I want to say the sale lasts until Monday, so you guys still have time to shop. I actually had a 20% off coupon in the mail, so I ended up paying around $8 for the candles. So that was like a super deal. Usually I have a 20% off when the sale hits, and I think they only do the $9.95 sale once a year, and it's always the first Friday or first Saturday in December every single year. So always mark your calendars. That's usually when I stock up. Let me quit rambling, girl, and get right into the haul, which is the reason why y'all are here, okay? So first up is strawberry pound cake, which is one of my favorites. I tell you guys about this every year because I pick up at least 1 or 2 of these, if not more, every year. A couple years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, was my first time getting it because I was that person that didn't like my house to smell foody, like cake or cookies or anything like that. I always wanted my home to smell like luxe and expensive, like musks and ambers and even clean scents, but not like cakes and cookies and pies. But I'm into it now, y'all. My taste has changed, and so yeah, this is like my 3rd year picking it up. Has notes of fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. Smells so yummy. Absolutely divine. If someone walks into your home, they're gonna literally think that you're baking a cake. So that's how good it smells. Yummy. Next candle is cinnamon spice vanilla. So remember when I told y'all there's 2 candles that I look forward to that I have to have during the sale? One's Palo Santo, and the second one is this cinnamon spice vanilla. It smells so good. When you light this, your whole entire house is lit up. With the pound cake one, my whole house is lit up too. It smells so yummy. It just gives holiday. Smells like a like a cinnamon roll kind of. Oh, smells divine. It just gives like fall winter vibes. I love it. I still have like 1 or 2 left from the last sale. So cinnamon spice vanilla has notes of cinnamon, sugar crystals, and Tahitian vanilla bean. So yummy. For some reason, just the regular vanilla bean candles don't really float my boat. It just smells sort of like a basic vanilla. But this one is like a vanilla with like a twist in it that just so intoxicating. I love it. So the next one is one that I've never purchased before, and it's called Black Teakwood, and I picked up 3 of these. Every candle day we make sure we get candles for the kids' teachers, and it never fails, y'all. When we start packing gifts for the teachers, like towards before Christmas break, we always struggle finding candles for the male teachers. Like we always have more than enough for the females, but for the male teachers, we like to have something that smells a little bit more masculine or unisex. And so we made sure we got a few of these Black Teakwoods. And it smells very good. It smells fresh and a little masculine. So this one has notes of rich mahogany, black teakwood, dark oak, and frosted lavender. So if you've ever smelled mahogany teakwood, that one is super strong and rich and woodsy and masculine. This one's like a tad bit lighter of a version of that. So I actually like this one better than mahogany teakwood. I would actually burn this in my house for like that luxe unisex scent. So I thought these would be perfect. So we got a few of these. Okay, y'all. So this is one that I found like when we were on the way to the line, like when we were pretty much done shopping. I picked this up and it's called Apple Crisp. So I've never tried this one before either, but I picked it up because I thought the pink color of the candle was really cute. And it smells very holiday to me. It smells like a crisp apple with like some cinnamon touches in there. And this one has notes of caramelized apple, cinnamon crumble, and sugared oats. And it does smell sugary too, like a crisp apple with like sugar sprinkled on it. And a little bit of cinnamon in there. It smells so yummy, y'all. So looking forward to burning this. Definitely going to be burning this like during the week of Christmas for sure. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you all have heard of this one. This is Mahogany Teakwood. So this is the one I was talking about that's like the more intense sort of manly woodsy scent. And this one has notes of intense rich mahogany, dark oak, and frosted lavender. So this one gives like fresh, clean, like a man fresh out of the shower, a little woodsy. It smells very luxe and expensive. It smells like a rich guy's penthouse, you know? One of those scents. So this is the scent that Mr. burns in his office, and it takes him a long time to burn his candle. So we just got one of these. That way when he burns that one down, he'll have this one because he doesn't even burn it every day. The scent just kind of stays in there and it's super strong, very strong. I guess I was just all the way in the holiday season. Usually I get scents during the candle sale that could sort of hold me over for the entire year, clean scents and you know, that sort of thing. I do get some like gourmandy type scents, but I feel like this time I really just got like Christmas scents and I didn't realize it until right now, y'all. So the next one is spiced gingerbread, and I think this is a new one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's definitely new to me. I've never tried this one before. This one has notes of vanilla icing, cinnamon sugar, and fresh ground nutmeg. This gave me the holiday vibes too. If you know anything about nutmeg, it's like a bit of a stronger type spice, almost like a stronger cinnamon. And it just smells like a fresh baked good, but like stronger on the nutmeg. So when I opened this one, it just instantly threw me into like holiday vibes and I knew I wanted to pick it up. And I love the chocolate brown color. Like this is just so aesthetic to me. And then they have like the brown with the like bronzy touches on it. This is so cute, y'all. Perfect to like match my home and stuff like that. Thinking about it, just for the packaging alone, I should have got 2 of these, but yeah, this is so cute. The sale is still going on until Monday, I want to say. Believe it or not, y'all, that's all I got for myself. This is like the least amount of candles that I've ever gotten for myself. But one of my friends is still at work right now, so she had me to pick out some candles for her. So as soon as I wrap up here, I'm gonna run and drop these off to her job. And so I picked out 4 for her. She likes gourmandy scents like sugared waffle cone type of stuff. And she also likes clean scents. So what I picked up for her is sugared waffle cone, because this is one that she said she already tried before and she liked it. She was telling me yesterday how when she walked into her house, she thought that her husband was like making some sort of pastry or waffles, and she was really looking for cookies or something. Whole time it was this candle. I had never heard of it, but I saw it in the store today, so I knew she'd like it because she already had it. So this is freshly baked sugar cone, caramel sea salt, and gooey marshmallow. In the store, when I smelled this, I wanted to go to Waffle House and get me some waffles with extra butter. Too good. Sun-Drenched Linen. I feel like I've actually had this one before, but she does like clean scent, so I felt like she'd like it. This one has fresh linen, crisp apple, and soft musk. It just smells very fresh and clean, like clean linen. This is one I feel like you can't go wrong with, and this powder blue color is adorable. Next is one that she mentioned she likes already, so I picked up a champagne toast. This one has bubbly champagne, bright berries, and juicy tangerine. And this pink color is stunning. If I let AJ burn candles in her room, this would be the one that I would give her because it's so sweet and pretty and feminine and girly, and this color eats. Like, this color is everything. I know she would love it. It smells so good. It smells like some sugary candies. This is the last one I picked up for her. This one's called Cookie Butter Truffle. And I got this one, obviously, because she says she likes those gourmandy type of scents. And it smells so good. I actually went back and forth between getting this one and one that was like a birthday cake one. And I thought this one like stood out a little bit more than birthday cake, like smelled a little better than that, even though birthday cake was good. So this one has cookie butter, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. Smell like a baked cake, like a buttercream cake. So that's it, you guys, for Candle Day 2025. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for December's fragrance tray.